Firing. Shifting vehicle. Oh shit. Wow.
Oh my god.
Surprise. Oh shit.
Hail to the year!
Wow.
Shoot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Move, car.
You're such
Oh, car was dashed the other car.
No. Oh my gosh. You got so lucky.
Oh my god.
Oh, those cars. Oh.
What happened here? Wow.
Oh,
It's car.
broken,
Keep
you all
driving the
right?
car. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
scratch. Hi friends, Namaskar ellargu. Welcome back to my channel. I am Sagar. Today I have new one fun video. Let's start a video.
No, don't
Wow.
mess up the clouds. No, don't mess up the clouds. You're going to mess up the clouds, fire.
Scrap. Old man driver. Oh, new car is scratched.
Oh!
Oh shit. What happened here? Oh, one wheel was removed. Wow, cycle stunt. Ready to ride. Wow.
It's going to look beautiful.
It does look beautiful. She drew on Penny's
What
car with a
happened?
rock.
Oh, cute girl is meow. Scratched our car. Oh,
Wait,
no.
let's let Matt more down.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god, watch out.
Oh. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, we did all.
Put your arms up, cutie.
No.
Ready? Alright, we'll go nice and easy, okay?
Alright.
You ready?
Wow, so crazy, yeah. Bangalore control. Ready? Let's go.
Alright.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Wow, tire blast. Oh no. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, so far
I heard you, Jay.
carry
You
on
okay?
the bike. Okay, driver car, go steering was removed. Oh. car was scratched. Oh,
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
wow.
Jacob!
He was scary.
I got it on video!
An outhouse with the toilet paper flying. We're in a small country town in Colorado, and this is what we see.
J-Mo, let me see your foot. Jackson, let me see your foot.
Tissue paper.
How
Wow.
funny is that?
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Go.
Oh, shit.
Sadaya!
It's going on viral.
Sit down.
Oh, cute baby is laughing. You always laughing. Wow, the car was. Oh shit. Comment this car name, please. I don't know what happened here. Cute dog. Oh.
Okay.
Are you okay? Oh shit. Oh, scratch down.
As driver of this truck, you've got to know if we've lost anything. I do not know if we've lost anything, but there's no, it doesn't appear to be any debris on. Uh-oh. Something happened.
You barely move.
Oh.
Oh, we're still smiling. Oh. Did you get that?
It's a nice day out. Gotta make the most of it. Hey, sorry.
Are you taking a picture?
I'm taking a video. So video.
Oh guys, this is funny video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you and bye bye.